ladies, I'm gonna do a Shopmissa unboxing look. I got too excited and I got a lot of stuff. So some stuff I needed, some stuff I didn't. So maybe I do part 2 of this video, I don't know, because I don't have storage. So let me open it right now. Oh yeah, and I showered, so my freaking hair is wet. Anyways, the first thing that I got out is this mirror. I needed one because the one I have broke like for a long time, but I put like tape on it so it would stick, so that's why I can still use it. But yeah, anyway, this is big. I didn't think it was gonna be this big, and I love it because it's a cat. Look at the difference. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, the next thing I got is this journal. I needed this, that's why I shopped here, because I needed to write for my videos, for work, for like creative stuff, things that I have to do this, like goals, dreams, everything. I need to write everything. I write it on my phone and my notes, but it takes storage and it's just better like this. I prefer writing it, so I was like, girl, I need more than one, like one for each thing. So then I got this one. Girl, all the cute ones were gone. Everybody got the this one smells funny. Oh wait, so I got like 2 of these. Same, okay, 2. Okay, the next thing I got is these 2 bags. This one, obviously, you already know my sign. I already say it on my Instagram, and I love the color. It's just a bag so I can put like my pens and like journal, whatever. Oh, it kind of fits, but anyways. And this one, I was supposed to give it away to someone, but they're mean, so I'm probably not gonna give them to them anymore. I'm gonna give it to somebody else that appreciates me and is not ungrateful and mean. So, or I'm gonna keep it because I need extra bags for something. But yeah, that was that. And then this one is like a mini journal with a pen, like for my to-do list or for looks. Like I create ideas. I'm like, oh, I want to do this look. I draw it here, write it down. Like that's why I got it. But I thought it was gonna be bigger. Oh well, it's still nice. The next thing, another freaking journal, I know, but this one is like a little bit more fancier. So this fell. It's weird. Anyway, so yeah, it's just like the hardcover. The other ones are not. They're like paper. But yeah, this one's fancier. Okay, what else? Obviously a pen. Oh, this is not a pen. This is a brow pencil. I needed a brow pencil because the one I got from my Ulta haul was way too light, so I needed a darker one. So yeah, that's why I also shopped here. But yeah, what else? Oh, this is a pen. This is a rainbow pen. I hope it colors. I mean, it writes with these colors. I don't know if it's just for show, but let's see if it works. Okay. The next thing is a sheet mask. Obviously, I needed a mask. I ran out of masks. I love these from them. This brand. It costs a little bit more. This one was just $1, but I wanted to try this one out. So I just got one because my skin reacts with everything, so I wanted to test it out first before I can buy more, you know, because this one doesn't hurt my skin at all. Okay, the next thing I got is a reusable cotton pad. It's to remove your eye makeup. I usually use my hand, but I was like, oh, this is cool, I can reuse it instead of the cotton rounds that you throw away. It's bad for the environment, you already know. So I was like, you know what, this might work and it's helpful, and it was $1 for like 2, and you don't throw these away. So let's see if they work. The next thing I got were lashes. Like I said, I just got one because usually like the dollar store lashes are cheap and they're not good quality. They look like bad, like for little kids. Like this one kind of looks like that. They don't look good, but let's see, because everybody buys this one. That was like the best seller, so let's see if it works. And look at the little cute panda. This one was the only black pen ink. They were all gone. Everybody wanted black pens, but yeah. I hope this works because usually these pens don't work. They last for a day or two, but let's see. Oh yeah, I need a lash glue, so let's see if this works because I ran out of glue real quick. On this is like a highlighter or pen. It's green, so let's see if this works. You already know I love green and blue and all that. Okay, the next thing is a skinny mascara. I was like, wow, I need to try it because I have very small lashes, so that's that. And a freaking pen because I need all that.